Hey, this is Antoine. If your customers can't see your menu, you're losing money. Here's how to upload your entire menu as a PDF to your Google Business profile in under 60 seconds. Type in individual menu items takes forever. Photos of the menus are hard to read, and outdated menus create angry customers, right? But there's a simple fix most restaurants don't know about. So all you gotta do is log into your Google Business profile, click on edit menu, click on photos of the menu, and this is where you will upload it right here. All you got to do is get your PDF of your menu and select it. And this is how it looks once it's done, right? This is one that doesn't have it. It doesn't have the menu option. They're not using it. So you don't get this little cool button. Let me show you on one that does have the menu option. So you can click on this little menu button. You get this nice little menu button that people can click on it. It has everything on your menu, which is great. As you can see, this one doesn't. So I suggest all business owners start using that. It's a cool feature. It's been around on Google Business Profile for a while now, but still a lot of restaurants do not use it. So I suggest that you start using it now. All right, that's a quick one. Have a great one. Bye.